Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Sri Shekhar Malhotra, learned senior counsel appearing for the appellants, argued that as the DRT Act and Securitization Act have been enacted by the Parliament under Article 246 (1) of the Constitution for speedy recovery of debts due to banks or financial institutions, or for enforcement of security interest by the secured creditors, and overriding effect has been given to these legislations, the provisions contained therein will have primacy over state legislations which have been enacted under Article 246 (2) of the Constitution, and under which first charge has been created in favor of the state in respect of the dues of sales tax, etc. Full stop, para. He further argued that even though the central and state legislations have not been enacted with reference to a particular entry in list 3rd in the 7th schedule, Article 254 will get attracted, and the Kerala and Bombay High Courts committed an error by refusing to accept the submission that banks, financial institutions and secured creditors have priority in the matter of recovery of debts or enforcement of security interest vis-a-vis the state's right to recover the dues of sales tax, etc. Full stop. He further submitted that in view of the Article 254 (1) of the Constitution, provisions contained in state laws which are repugnant to or inconsistent with central legislations, are liable to be ignored. Full stop, para. Sri Rakesh Dwivedi, learned senior counsel appearing for the states of Kerala and Maharashtra respectively, argued that even though the DRT Act and Securitization Act contain non-obstinate clauses suggesting that the provisions contained therein would prevail over other laws, the same must be interpreted keeping in view the legislative policy underlying those enactments, and if they are so interpreted, Section 38C of the Bombay Act and Section 26B of the Kerala Act and similar provisions contained in other state legislations by which first charge has been created on the property of the deal or any other person liable to pay sales tax, etc., cannot be treated inconsistent with central legislations. Full stop. Sri Dwivedi submitted that the DRT Act and Securitization Act have been enacted to speed up the recovery of the dues of banks, financial institutions and secured creditors, but there is no provision in the two enactments by which first charge has been created in favor of banks, etc., and therefore, the provisions contained in state legislations creating first charge in respect of the dues of sales tax, etc., cannot be treated as inconsistent with central legislations. Full stop, para. Sri Dwivedi further submitted that levy and collection of tax, etc., is sovereign function as well as necessity of the state, and as such the state has exclusive plenary power to legislate on that subject, and in the absence of any provision in the DRT Act or Securitization Act creating first charge in favor of the banks, etc., in lieu of their dues, their legislations cannot be given overriding effect, a provisions contained in the state legislations and right of the state to recover the dues of sales tax full stop over.